Everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Today we got this rocket Milano, and pretty much what we did is we removed the mushroom valve and we replaced it with a flow control, as you can see right here. What this pretty much does is even if the water's on, it'll stop the water, but as soon as you turn it, you start opening the valve, and then you could control how much water goes through the front, which in turn controls the pressure. So we're going to do a test shot with this using our test coffee and a bottomless portafilter. Alright, so we're going to open the lever, which is pushing 9 bars. Then we're going to slowly go with pre-infusion. That's with pre-infusion. Then we're going to build. We're going to try to stop it at 9. And we're going to stop it there. And it's running well. Beautiful shot. We are using our test coffee for this test. Then we are going to test hot water. Running out very well. And we are going to test the steam. And this is a Cool Touch 1. We did not put this on there. Beautiful steam. That about does it. Thank you for letting us modify your machine. If you liked, please subscribe, hit a like, and hit the bell. Thank you for watching.